documentary on this event. She's down as the random iris runs away from her ugly face. Just leave it still. Wait for it, don't scream. Don't move, Jess, don't move. And don't scream because then I'll jump back and I'll fall in the water. I'm waiting for that to happen, actually. You're an idiot, I can't do it! There's no luck, is it? Okay, Sarah, show us how it's done. Yeah, I'm ready. Hold on. Yeah. Hang on, wait for the recording. Oh, I did it! She did it! I'm gonna do it. Ready, good, you ready? Just do it, Jessica. That's ridiculous. Did you have fun? No, I didn't feel it. Scary! Look at the dog! You're beating your bird. Oh! The poor bird! I can't. Oh, God! Oh, your arm there, you. Oh, yeah. Oh. That's scary, right? Come on. Oh, my God! Leave it. This is just after the incident. And Sarah, Bex, how do you feel about this? About what? About the incident. How does this make you feel, Bex? That's sad because this boat's about to crash into me. No!